Welcome back to Grammar Fundamentals for the PSAT. This is Chapter 10, Lesson 62. Today we tackle the most confused words in all of English, the homophones, words that sound alike but mean different things. Than and then, there and there and there, to and two and two, whose and whose, your and your. By the end, you'll have a quick trick for each one. First pair, than and then. Than, with an A, is for comparison. July is hotter than June. Anytime you're comparing, bigger than, more than, better than, you want than with an A. Then, with an E, is about time. It means at that time, or next. We ate lunch, then we toured the museum. So the trick is the vowel. A for compare, E for time, like in the word when. Now the famous three-way. There, and there. There, T-H-E-I-R, is possessive. It shows belonging to them. Their bikes are locked. There, T-H-E-R-E, points to a place, just like here is inside it. And there, with an apostrophe, is short for they are. Here's the trick that settles it. Try expanding it. They're racing on Saturday means they are racing. If they are fits, use there. If not, it's one of the others. Next, to, and two. Plain to, T-O, shows direction. Walk to the corner. To, with two O's, means also or excessively. The soup is too salty, and I want some too. To, T-W-O, is just the number, like 2 melons. The trick, that extra O in to is the one you add when there's something extra, also, or too much. And to with a W is always the number. Two more apostrophe pairs that work the same way. Whose with an apostrophe means who is. Who's bringing the snacks means who is bringing them. Whose with no apostrophe is possessive. Whose backpack is this? Same logic for you. Your with an apostrophe means you are. Your next in line means you are next. Your, no apostrophe, shows belonging. Your essay. The rule for both. The apostrophe word always unpacks into two words. If you can't split it into who is or you are, drop the apostrophe. Here's the one big trick that handles most of these. Whenever you see an apostrophe word, try expanding it into two words. There becomes they are. Whose becomes who is. Your becomes you are. Its becomes it is. Read the sentence with the long version. If it makes sense, the apostrophe word is right. If it sounds wrong, you need the possessive instead. Their, whose, your, with no apostrophe. Let's try a few. In this first set, pick the word that fits. Use the tricks. A, then for comparing. E, then for time. And expand any apostrophe word to check it. Pause and try each one. Music can express emotion better blank words. Here we're comparing music with words, better than. That's a comparison, so we want than with an A. Then with an E would be for time, so the answer is than. The singers use blank talent to tell a story. Try expanding. They are talent makes no sense. The talent belongs to the singers, so we need the possessive, their, T-H-E-I-R. So the answer is there. If blank an opera fan, you knew this already. Try expanding. If you are an opera fan. That fits, so we want your, the contraction of you are. Your, with no apostrophe, would be possessive, so the answer is your. 3 more. Same tools. Expand the apostrophe words, and the extra O in to means also or excessive. Pause and try each one. Mozart wrote 22 operas. Blank. At the end like this, it means also. Also is to with 2 O's. To would be direction. 2 would be the number. So the answer is 2. Blank usually a story behind every opera. Try expanding. There is usually a story. That fits, so we want theirs, the contraction of there is. Theirs would mean the one belonging to them, which makes no sense. So the answer is theirs. Mozart was a composer. Blank music lives on. Try expanding. Who is music lives on makes no sense. The music belongs to him, so we need the possessive, whose, with no apostrophe. So the answer is whose. Let's wrap up. Than with an A compares. Then with an E is time. To shows direction. To means also. And 2 is the number. For the possessive versus contraction pairs, lean on one trick. Expand the apostrophe word. There is they are. Whose is who is. Your is you are. If the long version fits, the apostrophe is right. If not, use the possessive. Their, whose, your, with no apostrophe. Master that test, and these homophones will never trip you up. Great work.